2015 to 2018 Chevy Silverado USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2018 Chevy Silverado. I'm going to show you how to replace the center console USB auxiliary port right here. It's this guy right there. And then what you want is a blue plastic interior tool, which I will link below. And then also we're going to have to use a Phillips screwdriver, preferably like a mid-size one. Now, on most of these, you can just pop this outwards and then disconnect the connectors, and then you could change it out. You're good to go. But this one, the connectors are inside the center console. I'll show you. So to pop this out, you want to put your pry bar tool in between the USB and the center console and kind of pop it out. But see, like the wires are too short. So to get that off, I'm going to just cut right to it. We got to pull this part off. And then from here, you'll be able to disconnect the two connectors. And then once those are disconnected, you can pull it out how you normally would. So to get this off, first you want to get this rubber like cover off. Use your plastic interior tool to kind of go around and just kind of gently get this up everywhere. Don't rage rip it up because you might rip it. Just kind of work it out, and then it'll pop out once you get enough of it off. Now we're going to use our Phillips screwdriver. There's 4 screws. There's one right here, one right there, one right here, and one right here. And we're going to pop those off, or not pop them off, we're going to unscrew them. Get those completely unscrewed, save the screws, don't lose them, and then we're going to set this to the side like that. Now we'll have access to the connectors. Now what I do is I pop this out, put the pry bar tool between the USB port and the center console and kind of work the sides. The left and right side are the ones where the retainers are, but go ahead and get it out. Now once it's a little bit out, you'll have some wiggle room to kind of squeeze your fingers underneath here and disconnect the connectors. The thumb tab release buttons are on the bottom. This one's kind of tricky, because it's like the gray one's kind of stubborn, and then the black one, the button's super small. But yeah, you just push that center button down and pull the connector backwards and it'll come out. Don't pull by the wires because you'll break the wires. And then you could just remove this right here. We'll go ahead and pull this out. Here it is. Now I'm going to show you the part number on the side right here. Here's the part number, 135192224. They sell these on Amazon. You can get an actual GM one, which I recommend, but they also sell aftermarket ones for half the price. It's up to you what you want to do, but I'll link both of those options below. And once you get your new one, we're just going to, there's a little notch on top. Make sure that it goes into the little notch hole in the center console. Just push this in right here. It'll kind of only go in one way, and then before you push it in all the way, let's put the connectors in. This connector is tricky because it's like a connector within a connector, so take your time and be patient with this one. Line it up perfect, and then push it in. Get it in nice and tight, and then we'll get the black connector in as well. They should look like that. They should be in tight, not falling out or nothing. And then we could just push the center console, or push the USB port into the center console. It'll lock into place. And then it's just reverse everything to get everything back. We'll put this cup holder back on, put your screws in, tighten them down, and then we'll put the rubber covering back on. Just make sure all the little rubber grommets go back into place. And then that is it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.
Pretty good.